Hey up and welcome back to Northern Garage. I've got a leak on my Nissan Stagea 260RS. Today we're going to see if we can find it. We're going to be using this generic water pressure tester which I got for roughly £50 off of Amazon. To start by getting the right water cap for our car out of this box and fitting it onto this. In our case the cap is cap number 4. Place the cap which fits your car onto the radiator or tank, whichever one your car has. Increase the pressure to what your car normally runs at. Mine is around 0.8 bar or around 12 psi. I lifted the vehicle for easy access to see where the leak was. The leak in my case was under the plenum. Luckily there was a small hole to access the hose clamp through this. As you can see, we've just found this leak, but now we've got an even bigger problem. How do we get to it? That's the question. After many attempts with a small spanner, I just couldn't get onto the hose clamp, so I decided that I needed something a bit longer. As I didn't have a long 7mm spanner or a ratchet one, I had to resort to taping the spanner to an extension bar to give me the extra reach I needed. This did work, but after multiple attempts, again I was going nowhere fast. With a mixture of the spanner on an extension bar and a 1/4-inch socket set with a lot of extension, I was able to loosen, reposition and then tighten the hose clamp back up. We're going to repressurize the system and see if the leak's gone. After pumping the pressure back up, I monitored for 10 minutes to check to see if there was no more leaks. Once I was happy and no more leaks were present, I removed the pressure tester and bled the coolant with the engine running, checking again once the car was up to temperature and topping up as necessary. There you have it. That's how you find the leak. Tune in next time to the Northern Garage.